like people, I don't know how adults meet people nowadays, because like a lot of people are meeting through like applications and stuff like that. I'm not very used to that, like I'm more of like a, I don't know, meet someone in person type of thing and have a conversation. But I feel like people are more like in their own bubble now. Like it's not as
Yeah.
easy to reach out to people in person now.
Yeah, because like on that one of the big things I personally think, like my theories it's attributed to is
Mm.
there was almost these like three phases, at least in recent memory, around socialization. There was pre-internet, where your culture and who you were and your interests and everything was affected by your literal like geographic location, where it's like if you're living in Austin, Texas, all you have to absorb is other people in Austin, Texas. But then
Mhm.
the internet came along, and the way that like the internet used to be structured was like when you went on like YouTube and stuff, everyone kind of had the common culture of whatever the big thing was. It was a way for stuff to go viral. Like if something went viral, like let's just say, I don't know, some like Taylor Swift's an example of something that's going viral now that still kind of holds to old school rules, but like
Mhm.
just something that is just gets a lot of popularity, everyone would see. But the way that they're doing all these like personalized feeds and like the psychology behind it now is where at least with the beginning of the internet or where it was a couple years ago, you could still share the common culture by seeing what the most popular things were, and we were all
Mhm.
exposed to that. Now everything like that you see is like just based off of your like data and what they think you want to see. So you just
Mhm.
get pushed more and more into these silos. And like everyone's that's like one of the weirdest social things I think they'll be talking about for a long time. And maybe it's like here to stay. Hopefully it's different because I think it's like a pretty bad thing, is
Mhm.
where people are getting individualized based off of technology and the way the internet works now. And it's getting harder and harder for us to communicate outside of our silos just because we're getting pushed deeper and deeper in a bunch of different directions. And there's not really any big common thing for us to like meld around.